Hey Bill, this is Eddie, Multi-Man Services. Thanks for having me here to come take a look at your house here. Super nice patio back there, a burn pile. Can't wait to come here and have hot dogs with you and your family. Just kidding with you. I thought I'd make this quick video here to kind of explain our services and what we do, how we go about doing it. So yeah, I do agree with you. A house wash is a good thing for your home at this point, especially for the gutters and soffits. Everything's looking a little dirty at this, over the years. Your front steps here would generally be a separate wash, so this will be like your front porch wash. We can clean this without using high pressure. All this green algae and mold will be removed with no more pressure than a garden hose. So the cleaner actually breaks down all the organic growth, green algae and mold. And then we rinse it down with low pressure water, and then we can apply a mold inhibitor on it, help it stay cleaner longer. I do remember the last video I made here. There was some moss growing on your roof. I'm assuming you probably haven't done any cleaning on your roof since we've been here. But I would suggest some roof maintenance as well. I'll have a roof maintenance package with the proposal. This may come out cleaner on your, I don't really know what that is. To me it looks like it's loose, and I probably wouldn't want to damage it any more than it already is, so may come out a little bit cleaner. So the best way to get a good house wash is to have your window screens removed prior to us doing the wash. That way if any bugs, spider webs are in your window, we can rinse those out and flush all that out real nicely. You gather all the screens together by the garage. We'll flush those out for you as well. Garage could benefit from a wash as well on all sides, and the back patio here will get washed. If you take a look at your garage here, we can get this pad power washed here if you like. Let me know if that's something you're interested after watching this video. Take a look at your shingles here. You're starting to see the black streaking. That's a sign that your shingles are starting to have this drying out process. So this is a Gleocapsa magma feasting on the limestone granulars in the shingle. So it's suggested to get this eradicated or cleaned off, and then have a conditioning treatment on your shingles. So take a look at the informational video quickly after this here. It kind of explains why roof shingles today aren't lasting as long as they used to. By the year 2000, they kind of changed their formula at the manufacturer plant when making shingles. A lot less asphalt and more crushed limestone. Shingles aren't lasting as longer as they are, and we're in the roof maintenance, roof preservation business as well. So I'll get you some numbers on getting gutters here. Probably would be a good idea to get a downspurt. I'd say over here, a downspout right here. We can get a downspout right there. A nice big 3x4 downspout, and all four sides. It'll keep these fascia boards looking a lot nicer. Your bottom boards won't be as dirty. So good decision there. Well, I think that's all I got for you. All this will be cleaned up and washed up real nicely during our garage wash. And then after all that's done, you can go ahead and do a little bit of caulking and paint touch-ups on a few. That's not something we'll get into, but we'll specialize in exterior cleaning. Take a look at this quick informational video. Appreciate you having me here, Bill. And if you'd like, we can also clean all your outdoor windows after we're done with the house wash as well. So all we ask is that you just get the screens pulled, and then we can spruce up your windows at that time. Take care, Bill. See ya.
Is it time to replace your old roof? RoofMax offers a new, revolutionary treatment that can help you save thousands of dollars. We offer a quick, easy, and affordable alternative to a complicated, expensive, and life-disrupting asphalt roof replacement. One application can extend your roof's life by 5 years. Make that 15 years with applications every 5 years. And the best thing? RoofMax costs only 15 to 20% of a roof replacement. RoofMax's revolutionary new technology uses 100% natural plant-based bio-oil to restore shingles flexibility and instantly add 5 years of life to a roof. It's not just empty words. Our clients love RoofMax too.
I'm just really thrilled about the whole process.
The cost of applying, the RoofMax to our roof was so much cheaper than I had thought.